Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale patch management with ManageEngine step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current patch management strategy. Identify the systems and software that require regular updates. Log into ManageEngine and navigate to the patch management module. Ensure that your system is properly configured for automatic updates. Select the desired operating systems and applications for patching. Run a scan to discover missing patches across your network. Review the scan results to identify critical vulnerabilities. Prioritize patches based on severity and business impact. Create a patch management schedule that aligns with your organization's needs. Set up automatic downloads for selected patches to streamline deployment. Configure approval workflows for patch deployment to ensure compliance. Deploy patches in a test environment to evaluate stability. Monitor the test results closely for any issues. Once verified, roll out the patches to production systems. Utilize the reporting features in ManageEngine to track patch status. Regularly review and update your patch management policies as needed. Maintain documentation for all patching activities for auditing purposes. Train your IT staff on the importance and processes of patch management. Continuously monitor for new vulnerabilities and patches to stay ahead. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.